there, I'm Tina the Thankful Planner. Welcome back to my subscribers, and if you're new to my channel, thanks for joining me today. Today I am recording a lovely haul video. As you can see, this package just arrived on my doorstep. I've been waiting for it, and if you're into productivity systems and goal planning, then this is definitely the video for you. So if you want to see me unwrap this stuff, this Makselife planner and the productivity system, then stay tuned. Okay, so let's just dive straight in and open the package. And as you can see, this is a Makselife, and this is the companion booklet. So it's not the actual planner. You can buy a planner, but this is for goal setting quarterly. And as I say, you can buy the planner with all of this in, but I've got so many other planners that I just thought, you know, what am I doing? Do I really need another planner? Let me just get the companion guides. And I just love the style of it. It's very sort of like contemporary, and yeah, I just really like the colours of the booklets. And you actually get 5 booklets, I believe. Let me just see. Yeah, you get 5. So you get the companion guide, which is this one I'm looking at now. And I just love that, like the gold script in it as well. And this takes you through sort of how to do it. It's also perforated, so you could take it out of this booklet and put it into another planner. As I'm showing you here, it's perforated, you can pull it out. But let's just go through it, go through the booklet. And so there's just a little introduction about the goal setting system and who she is, how she came about doing that. That's Sierra Friend, is the person who created this. I believe she's a life coach. So here you go through this whole system of assessment to see what your intentions are, and there's your compass of assessment, and then life compass. And as you can see, it's like color coded too. So it really is a full-on system onto how to set goals, your scoring, your intentions. And I'm really excited to be working on that this year. So yeah, there's lots of sections as it shows you, like the scoring part. You've got under personal and fun, recreation, work and learning, family and relationships, health and wellness, spiritual, personal growth, financial and physical environment. So they're your sectioning, and then your intentions for the year. And lots of like writing down your goals, the different types of goals you've got, annual, monthly and weekly actions and goals. And then it also gives you a little bit of help on how to look at each section and what you, so you know, give you some prompts like in personal, maybe self-image is a goal that you have, or projects or hobbies or grace even. And you've got this huge section here at the back where you can write them in and what you're really focused on. So it's really a guided sort of trying to get the goals out of you. There's even a vision board at the back. So let's have a look. So this would be each quarterly, and they're quite thick notebooks. Love the colours. So good things are coming. This is the January section, and you've got, just tells you what Moxie means actually, which I think is quite handy. And so let's go through it. Like, there is note pages at the back, but there's going to be a lot of work in here. So you start with a monthly spread. And what I've decided to do is work with this through the Hobonichi weeks too. So transfer it over to the Hobonichi weeks. But I don't know if I'm going to be doing that because it seems to be quite a lot of work. So I'm just showing you what else I've got here as well. This is my Hobonichi weeks, and so I was going to take it out of my Moxie, like just have my goals in there and then transfer it over to my Hobonichi weeks. I would like to use the back part of my, sorry, not weeks, my Hobonichi cousin. I would like to use the back part of my Hobonichi cousin for journaling. And so I thought that would be very helpful to have it all under one sort of area, like personal goals, things like that too, spirituality, and then journaling as well. So let's have a look at the actual booklet. So what do you get? So you get those monthly goals, and you can write them out into the different sort of focuses that we talked about. And then you break them down into weekly actions, which I often sort of struggle with. And excuse me if you can hear snoring in the background. That is Lily again. Most of you who are regulars on my channel know that it's my little pug or bug. She's a Boston Terrier pug and she'll drive you nuts because she snores all the time. But I don't have the heart to kick her out. She loves to be with me. So anyway, they're the weekly goals. Back to this. Then you've got monthly reflections on how you did that month. You know, my biggest wins this month were things that are currently working in my life. I love that. And then you've got this great big dream big, where you can put mind maps or whatever you choose. Then it goes back to the monthly views again, monthly goals and weekly actions. So it's similar all the way through. And I love that you get at the back of the book, which I'm probably going to show you. Oh, here you go. Yeah. And then you've got your quarterly assessments right at the back here. So you can assess how you've been doing. And I love that you've got that little folder in the back as well, which I might show you. I don't know. I'm just showing you the quarterly assessments right now. But and normally I don't do like this, but there was something wrong with the audio system on my camera, and so it didn't pick up the sound. So I just showed you the back envelope. So I'm having to do a voiceover, which I really don't like doing. I like to just talk when it's happening. But at least you're going to get something. So this system, I'm really excited to start it. You're going to be working with me. If you watch my videos, I'm going to be showing you how I'm doing it and what I'm doing, so you can definitely follow along with how it's going. And this will be my new goal setting system. So I hope you're going to enjoy that. So that is the companion guide. That's the full set. And I am going to be filming throughout the year, hopefully. Let's see how it goes, really. I really like the design of all of the booklets. So they're quarterly, so you would have quarterly goals. So let's now look at what else I got in the package, because this wasn't the only thing that I ordered from Makselife. If I'm going to order from somewhere in America, I normally order a few things, and I had to use a mailing company because they didn't deliver to Canada. So I'm going to show you what else I bought, and I used myus.com. I don't know if that's any better than any of the other ones, but I got the order. It cost me quite a bit of money to get the order, but I think it's going to be worth it if I reach my goals. So I'm always willing to invest in myself through the sort of productivity systems and building. I have a couple of I'm an entrepreneur, so I'm involved in a few different businesses. I have one that's my mainstay, my 40 hours a week business that I run, and then I'm involved in other businesses. So I really need to be productive and set time limits for things. And so any sort of goal setting system is worth the investment, I believe. I believe in investing in ourselves. And so after that little bit of a lecture, a little bit of a talk, I'm now going to show you the other items that I got in the package. So here is the sticker book that I ordered. And this 15-page functional sticker book is the same sort of colour scheme that goes with the whole sort of system. I did order another one, but they were sold out by the time I got through. And I got VIP pass to order early, so they really do, you have to really sort of set your calendar to sale is going to be open, not sale even, just opening of this year's planners. And I'm not even sure if they've got anything left. You'd have to check out the Makselife website to see if there's anything left, but definitely I knew that the companion planners went really quick last year, so I jumped in and I ordered several items that were actually out of stock by the time I got to the checkout. And unfortunately, and that was, like I say, the day before release. So as you can see, it's all the colours, and you've got like pastel and the darker colours, but these are all the colours that are in the planner or in the companion booklets. So this is going to be really useful for me. I'm going to stick with this. I may even use this if I do transfer everything over to my Hobonichi Cousins. I'm still going to use the colour coordination, so this will help me with that, so that I can track, because they're like however you organise your life, like spiritual, they're colour coded. So anyway, this was just like a freebie sticker. What the meaning of Moxie is, it's just a freebie that came in in set, so not bad. And then these are habit trackers, and I ordered these because I think that I might have them use them in my Hobonichi cousins, because even for my weeks I think it would work. It's the right size, and I can just stick them in there, and it's just a whole stack of habit without me having to write it out. I can list some habits, so I was quite pleased to find this, and I thought, well, I might as well add it to my order as I'm paying for the packaging anyway. And lastly, I got these lovely washi, and they're actually checklists, if you can actually see, and they fit the lines of the planner or the companion. They fit in that, so you can put checklists down wherever you like. So I bought a couple of those because I thought they're going to be really handy in any of my bullet, as you can see, they're bullets, checklists. They're going to be handy in any of the planners that I use. So that's really it from my Makselife haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I've got, and I hope you're going to stay with me through the year as I start to use this guide and see if it actually works for me. There's so many different systems out there. Getting things done was a really popular one for me. I've been using that for several years, just brain dumping and then putting them into action items. But this, I thought, just went that little bit further than that, and a little bit deeper into goal setting, and something I'd like to consider. So for 2022, I'm going to give this a go, and I'll keep you up to date with what I think of it. I'm now setting up the thumbnail, so excuse me. So I'm going to love you and leave you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and click on notifications so you know when I'm uploading more content. There's lots and lots of a variety of planning and productivity systems on this channel, and I'd love to hear from you. If you just want to drop in the comments and say hi, or what system you've decided to use, whether you're even using productivity systems, I'd love to hear from you. So I'm over on Instagram at The Thankful Planner, and Facebook at The Thankful Planner. So enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.